Hey Trotters, what up? It's your boy Floyd, and today we are back with a new vlog. Now this weekend we are at Joel Paradise Cove. It's an adult only property. Had a group that checked in for this weekend. They're having a meeting, so just came to make sure that everything was okay with those guys. My room is a standard garden view, so I'll show you what that looks like. So for the poor people, this is where we start, and then we'll take a look at those other categories. Not sure what they are again, but you'll see them. Now we'll also take a look at the property and see what the property has to offer. We can enjoy some food, the nightlife, that kind of stuff. Come back here, wrap it up, and do what we do best at the end of these videos. Alright, so see you soon. Alright guys, so this is the view from my room, the garden view. If you look out in the horizon, you will see the ocean. Now straight ahead there is the Aqua Marina grill that comes with a bar as well, that services the pool to the right, as well as to the far right there is a beach which kind of feels private, but it isn't. It's called like the quiet beach or something like that, because there's not a lot of persons over there. To the left there's another beach that we will check out in a few, but let's just check out the room real quick. So this is my room. One king bed, big, nice, comfortable, slept like a baby. To your right you have a closet, comes equipped with a safe, iron and ironing board. Now this is the bathroom, nice bathroom, comes with the customary throne of course, and then your face basin. Comes with the, what you call it, the shower gels, the lotions, that sort of amenities. And this one comes with a bath. Now when you're taking a bath, Zine, the water bounces off of your body. It either go to the left or go to the right and runs onto the floor. And when that happens, is that it creates a puddle in the bathroom. Crazy amount of water. So much so, water come as far as exiting the bathroom, going into the bedroom. Not cool. If you take in a you know what, you sit down. Let's sit. Guys, I'm playing in water right here. That's not good. And it's not safe. You can slip and you can drop, clearly. And that's another problem in itself. I mean, that's the only problem I've seen so far with the room. We have to check out the other rooms to see if this is a general issue or a general complaint. And we're just going to check out the property, look at those rooms, see what the property has to offer. Come back here and just give our general opinion on the whole feel and the vibe of the property. So, stay tuned and we'll come back shortly, alright? So, keep it locked. are at the end of this vlog, and if you realize that I'm in a different location as I am in a different hotel. Now, if you want to see where I'm at, you have to stay tuned for the next video, which is coming out in another couple of weeks. So with that said, let's jump right into the review. Review number 1, the property. Now I'm going to give Jewel Paradise Cove a 7, and this is why. Now, Jewel is an older property, which means it does not have elevators. Now, it shouldn't be a problem. Honestly, it's not a big deal, as each building has like 3 floors. What I like about the property, it's an adult-only property. It is intimate, small, with great landscaping, a very soothing environment. Now, the guys at Jewel Paradise Cove, they are promoting healthy lifestyle, and around the property you have like a fitness trail with different exercise points where you will have like a chart with instructions how to execute these exercises. So with that said, let's just jump into review number 2. Customer service, I'm going to give it an 8. Now, the guys at Jewel Paradise Cove, they have this gesture called service from the heart, and it does feel as if they are providing service from the heart from every level. Now, when you're walking along the property, you know, whether it's a guy that is sweeping up the place or in the dining room area, or those guys from guest services, trust me, they are providing service from the heart. Now, I have not had any complaint, any issue at no time at the property. I felt welcomed, I felt respected, and you know, everything, they were just courteous, and it was just smooth sailing. So to be honest, if there's not much to complain about customer service, let's just move on to the next review, and that's review number 3. The food, I'm going to give the food at this property a 6. Now, I'm a foodie, therefore when I go to a property, I look forward to having a wide variety of options. The general buffet at this property lacks that. Whether at breakfast or lunch, they do not have a wide variety, and for me that was disappointing. So much so that on day 2, when I went there with, you know, expectations of having a wider variety of options, it was pretty much the same. Let's just get it straight. The food was tasty. Whatever they had on display, it was good. But again, the options was just lacking. At the a la carte restaurants, just remember that these options or restaurants are open only in the evenings for dinner. So again, you consume most of your food, breakfast and lunch at the general buffet. And yes, so with that said, let's just move on to review number 4. The entertainment. I'm going to give the entertainment a 7. There is a lot to do at this property during the day and at night. During the day, you have a water slide, you have like water sports, pool tables, you have a basketball court, you have the staff engaging the guests, whether in activities by the pool. During the night, you have the night entertainment. On Sunday, when I was there, I enjoyed it. That was very good. So if you're there on a Sunday, check it out. Oh, and the club. So yes, if you're there, check out the club as well. So I mean, there's not much more to say than if you're there, you should or will enjoy yourself. So let's just move on to the next review, and that's review number 5. The rooms. Now I'm gonna give the rooms a 6. At the end of the video, when I showed you earlier with my bathroom with the leaking or the puddle in the bathroom, room service came in and you know, she was just cleaning up, and I asked her about the bathroom, and she did say that it was an issue for the rooms with a tub, because you do realize that you have rooms with a shower. Those bathrooms are perfectly fine. What she did was offer a fix, which was she got some towels and she lined it, and it was perfect. After that, absolutely no leaking. The bed was extremely comfortable. I had a good night's rest, and you know, the in-room amenities, you know, the mini bar and that kind of stuff, stocked daily, your shampoos, your lotions, whatever. But outside of that, the rooms were very nice. So I do believe that is the end of the vlog. I don't think that I missed anything, but if I did, you can always post those questions below and leave a comment. Like as usual, do what you do at the end of these videos. Tell a friend, go on the social media, do everything, all right, everything. But don't forget that we have another vlog coming soon, So look out for that. Stay tuned, keep trotting, walk good, big up yourself. Floyd, your trotter, little more.